Welcome back to Motor Hub. The Honda S2000 is back for 2025, and it's better than ever. After more than a decade of absence, Honda has revived one of its most iconic sports cars, blending nostalgic charm with cutting-edge technology. Car enthusiasts have long hoped for the return of the S2000, and Honda has delivered, staying true to the car's legendary status while ensuring it meets modern performance and design standards. The 2025 S2000 retains the spirit of the original Roadster, lightweight, agile, and driver-focused. But now, it comes packed with advanced engineering that makes it competitive with today's best sports cars. Under the hood, Honda has equipped the new S2000 with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing an impressive 320 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is derived from Honda's proven Civic Type R engine, but it's been refined and tuned specifically for the S2000, offering a broader power band and sharper throttle response. And yes, for the purists, Honda has kept the 6-speed manual transmission, ensuring that tactile, engaging driving experience that the original S2000 was famous for. Honda engineers have also focused on weight reduction, keeping the new S2000 under 3,000 pounds. Extensive use of aluminum and carbon fiber ensures that this Roadster remains light on its feet. The 50/50 weight distribution has been meticulously maintained, offering balanced handling that carves through corners with precision. The double wishbone suspension system has been re-engineered for the modern era, providing exceptional grip and stability, whether you're attacking twisty mountain roads or cruising down the highway. The design of the 2025 S2000 is a perfect blend of retro and modern. Its long hood, short rear deck, and low stance pay homage to the original model, while sharp LED headlights, aggressive air intakes, and sleek body lines bring it firmly into the present. The retractable soft top remains a key feature, allowing drivers to drop the top in seconds and enjoy open-air driving, just as the S2000 was meant to be enjoyed. Inside the cabin, Honda has created a driver-centric environment that balances simplicity with technology. A digital instrument cluster provides all essential information at a glance, while a touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless connectivity without being distracting. High-quality materials like Alcantara leather and brushed aluminum give the interior a premium feel. The sports seats are designed to offer maximum support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. Honda has also packed the 2025 S2000 with modern safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation systems. However, these features are designed to enhance the driving experience, not take away from it, ensuring that the new S2000 remains a true driver's car at heart. Performance-wise, the 2025 S2000 delivers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 4.5 seconds, making it significantly quicker than its predecessor. But straight-line speed isn't where the S2000 shines the most. It's in the corners, where its razor-sharp steering, balanced chassis, and responsive engine come together to create a truly exhilarating driving experience. For Honda enthusiasts and sports car fans alike, the return of the S2000 is nothing short of a dream come true. It embodies everything that made the original model iconic while embracing modern advancements that enhance its performance and appeal. Whether you're a longtime S2000 fan or new to the world of roadsters, the 2025 Honda S2000 promises an unforgettable driving experience. This is Honda's reminder that driving can still be pure, exciting, and full of passion.